Por el camino del desierto, el viento me despeina, suave aroma de colita, nada del aire.
Hi, I'm Juha and I'm a hockey player here at USC. I will be going through some physics concepts and examples with you this semester. And remember, just like on the ice, there's no such thing as luck in physics. Just keep your head up and work hard. So far we haven't involved time at all when we have talked about energy and work. But with power it comes into play. So average power of some action is defined as the work done on an object and divided by time it takes to impart that amount of work. When we see a delta something divided by delta t, that always invites us to take the limit as delta t goes to 0. So let's define power in that way. So this is in fact the instantaneous power that we get from here. So we take limit when delta t in this expression goes to 0. So we have infinitesimally small change in time or time step, and that is of course just the definition of derivative of work with respect to time. And what was work? Work was formally, or one of the forms was F dot or F dot S. So the dot product of force that is acting on the particle and the displacement. So if you do that, this is what we get. And assuming that the force is constant at the very instant, which is true, we get F times or F dot ds over dt. And what is the change of position with relative to time? That is velocity. So we simply get F dot v. And here we have the same thing written out. So power is the instantaneous rate at which force F does work on a particle. But because it's a dot product of F and V, this means that if the object is not moving, there is no rate or no power imparted on the object. So let's look at an aircraft, for example. It has some jet engines here. So if it's sitting on the tarmac with the engines running full blast, there is the thrust force that pushes it forward, but it has its brakes on, so velocity is 0. In that case, the force F is not doing work on the particle and there is no power. All the work is imparted on the exhaust gases that shoot out at high velocity from the engine. But on the object itself, there is no work done and hence no power either. As long as you keep that in mind, there are not too many pitfalls when calculating power.